Good day, gentlemen. Here that's the label here 926 1 to 14 scale hydraulic excavator 2-arm with dual blade, ST radio powered on, rotation back. Let's see, rear side top cover on top. Remove this cover magnetic. Yeah. We put 2S battery. That's the battery chamber. And keep rotation. Let's see, right side we have smoking. This smoke actually it's water vaporization. It's water. Magnetic secured and quick power connection. Here that's cooling fan. Here that's the oil tank. Cap open, fill up hydraulic oil. And this cover we lift up. We have the oil tank, pump, 2 pump. So 1 pump for big arm and another pump. This one rear side pump is for big arm. Forward pump is for bucket and small arm. So separate oil channel. Check. When big arm running, bottom have pressure. When bucket small arm working, top have pressure. Small arm. Yeah, 2 pump, 2 separate oil channels, so it's more oil supply and more fluent control. This one, after put back, directly come in the water vaporization as simulation smoke. And pull back this battery cover. Push into position. That is a bar. Also, when we put it, we also can put forward. Yeah. Let's leave it. Rotation. And we have, sorry, this one now not good contact. Yeah. Let me see. Let's have a check this wire connection, maybe loosed. It's a sample from factory for me to check. Now I show you. So white LED on. Right side arm also have, on the cabin also have, and this flashing, there's board LED and smoking. So now let's do the digging. We also have sound. Sound start, on. Mix pump off, mix pump on. The blade down, up, go down. Do the digging. See the power, lean forward. It can directly lift it its own weight, so it's enough for digging. If it can lift its own weight, digging enough, yeah. And drive, 1 minute. Sound off, also can increase volume. Lower volume, sound off, so you can hear the track sound. So it's turning smoothly. Rotation by it's a 360-degree servo, also smooth, also have power. It can already its own chassis moving. It's a rubber, resistance high. So double pump, 2S battery, and with this all detail looking good. It's quite a good one, customized, yeah. That's why I make this video show you directly. Spinning. Rear side plate, very beautiful. That's all the details. Cabin door can be open. Lock, have a screen showing battery voltage. Lock it. Here open, that's a LED connection. Volume to maximum. Thank you for watching.